Alright guys, it's release day today. We have Topps Baseball 2021 Series 1. Kind of seems like there's not a whole lot of differences between last year. There's a couple new inserts. Not sure if the history of Topps or Topps through the years are new, but they have 70th anniversary or 70 years of Topps baseball, and it's retro designs where it covers 7 decades of designs in a 70 card set. Apparently there's also a printing error that has been uncovered where the platinum anniversary parallel, which is numbered to 70, and the 70th anniversary parallel have been printed using the same ink colors and patterns. So the cards are numbered correctly and in the correct quantities. They just have these same ink colors and patterns on them. So if it's to 1, it's the 70th anniversary parallel, and if it's to 70, it's the platinum anniversary parallel. In any case, there is a pile of cards in here. We're looking for 1 auto or relic in every hobby box, but there is 24 packs, 14 cards per pack. So obviously, if there's a relic card, it'll be thick and there might not be 14 cards in that pack, but we will speed up what we can speed up because this is going to take a while. Hobby exclusive, Series 1, 4 trading cards. And then we have a pile of cards. Trout, Bieber, Boyd, Voit, Daza, Kyle Lewis, Stephen Vogt, Trey Turner, Jorge Alfaro, a Roger Clemens 35th anniversary, Ramos, Kershaw, Gurriel Jr. Who doesn't love to see a Luis Robert? Reddick, Future Stars, Gratterall, Rookie Jimenez, Madrigal, Caprillion, Brandon Kinsler, Cole, Mitch Keller, Kinsler with a nice scratch across the front. Lindor, Hernandez, Pujols, Osuna, Blake Taylor. Ozuna, Santander, Harvey, Mendick, Aaron Judge, Gonzalez, Brandon Woodruff, Cody Whitley, rookie, Derek Jeter. This is the the 70 years of baseball insert. Wade Davis, Travis Denard, Yu Darvish, Yarborough. Bo Burrows, Bo Bichette, Eunice, Candelario, Drury, Dubon, Marte, Baez, Segura, Aaron Judge, 35th anniversary, Trevor Williams, Hunter Renfroe, Griffin Canning, and the Miami Marlins team card. Severino, Fried, Olivares, Abreu, Bellinger, Davis, Quinn, Edmund, Gallo, Tony Gwynn, 70 years of Topps, 2002. Chadwick Trump, elbows only, high five for the Angels. Guzman, Scherzer. Clevenger, Bregman, Luzardo, Javier, Spencer Howard, Sanchez, Corbin, Kemp, Bruce, Diamondbacks team card, Pirates team card, Brazier, Arenado, Goldschmidt. Bohm, Gavin Lux, Iglesias, Bote, Profar, Will Smith, Mercado, Nimmo, a die cut, Hank Aaron, Atlanta Braves, Platinum Players, 70th anniversary. Nice. It's a pretty cool looking card. Giants team card, Josh Bell, Sean Doolittle, Rays team card, dab on him, Arcia dabs distantly. Garcia, Mondesi, Verlander, Divey Garcia rookie, Liam Hendricks, Colin Moran, Kenta Maeda, Navarez. Is this our auto? No. Just a Max Scherzer backwards. Dodgers team card, Garrett Richards, Jake DeGrom, Jock Peterson, and another Jake DeGrom. One is the league leaders, strikeout leaders.
Castellani, Nick Heath, Tristan McKenzie, Watani, Shane Bieber, league leaders, AL Wins leader, Colton Wong, Danny Santana, Miguel Andujar, Nelson Cruz, Marwin Gonzalez, 437 of 2021.
Not sure what that parallel is. Arrieta, Pollock, Dunning, White. John Lester, Starling Marte, A playful bout of juniors for the Braves. Brandon Workman, Frazier, Charlie Morton, Matt Chapman, Soria. Here is a Gleyber Torres mem card. Player worn memorabilia. Major League material. Juan Soto, Brady Singer, Vertigo. Albert Abreu, Tariq Skubal, Charlie Blackmon, Jake Bowers, Sogard, Malik Smith, Brandon Crawford, Chris Paddock, Alec Boehm, rookie, 35th. Pretty sharp card. Braves team card, Twins team card, Rockies team card, Brett Gardner, Austin Meadows. Fulton Wicks, Ian Happ, Joey Votto, Jordan Alvarez, Yelich, Chris Taylor, Motor City Mashers, Tigers, Howie Kendrick, Ted Williams, 70th anniversary. It's a pretty cool card. Future stars, Trent Grisham, Eduardo Rodriguez, Dansby Swanson, Justice Sheffield, and Canvin Biggio. John Means, Giolito, Galvis, Jacoby Jones, Orlando Arcia, rookie, Evan White, Jesse Winker, Luis Garcia, rookie, Shane Bieber, 35th. Future stars, Brendan McKay, Tyler Chatwood, Acuna Jr., Gurriel, Ian Kennedy. Ooh, a little color there. Eloy Jimenez, Chris Davis, Freddie Freeman, Rafael Devers, Ozuna, Steve Matz, Canna, Calhoun, Salvador Perez, Albert Almora Jr., and we have a Mike Yastrzemski to 199. It should be a red. That looks like it's pretty red to me. It's a pretty sharp looking card. I do like the design on these cards. Very modern. Escobar, Mookie Betts, 2020 World Series, Seth Lugo. Bobby Dahlbeck, rookie. Danny Duffy, Joe Adell, rookie. Tyler Stevenson, rookie. Eddie Alvarez, rookie. Randy Dobnak. Lewis Brinson, Whit Merrifield, Austin Riley, Randy Johnson, 35th. Patrick Sandoval, Miguel Rojas, Brewers team card, Yamaguchi. Sonny Gray, Buck Farmer, Aquino, Urquidy, Johnson, Urias, Kepler, Voigt, Sueto. Through the Years, Allen and Ginter. It's a card of an autograph card. It's pretty lame-o. Odor, Wilmer Flores, Blake Snell, Corey Seager. He won a Chevrolet or whatever that is, a Toyota, in the World Series. Meanwhile, we won a card. That's a picture of a card with an autograph on it. Casey Mize, Sixto Sanchez, Castillo, Rizzo, Taylor, Urshela, Maiha, Kyle Seager, Max Stassi, Jack Flaherty, Chris Archer, Yankees team card, Andrew Benintendi, John Gray. Dalton Varsho. Espinal, Isaac Paredes, Christian Pache, Clayton Kershaw, Max Muncy, Zach Britton, Willie Adames, Matt Shoemaker, Marcus Simeon, Letty Tavares, Mike Minor, Walker Buehler, Mookie Betts. Justin Dunn, Monte Harrison, rookie. Joey Bart, rookie. Dylan Carlson, rookie. Brandon Belock. Carter Kaiboom, Evan Longoria, Miles Mikolas, JD Martinez, Ahmed Rosario, league leaders, Shane Bieber, hands up, mass up, Mookie celebrates, Manny Machado, Juan Soto. We got 5 left. The longest video of our life. Nico Horner, future stars. David Peterson, rookie. Anderson Tejada, rookie. Kybert Ruiz, rookie. Byron Buxton, Buster Posey, Nate Pearson, rookie. Vlad Guerrero Jr. Ooh. Jesus Aguilar, and we have a home run derby challenge. Register Jorge Soler. Baltimore Orioles, Texas Rangers, Joey Wendell, Get Up Mets Stars Celebrate, Humberto Maiha. Ryan Mountcastle, rookie card. Carlos Correa. Daniel Murphy. Brad Hand. Nomar Mazara. Jake Odorizzi. Bryce Harper. Kirby Yates. Archie Bradley. A Josh Bell, 35th. Nick Neidert, Nick Senzel, Dylan Bundy, Mitch Haniger. Michael Lorenzen, Tim Anderson, Jose Quintana, Trevor Bauer, league leaders, Brian Goodwin, Hector Neris, Harrison Bader, D. Strange Gordon, Gleyber Torres, a Through the Years Stadium Club, Derek Jeter, Detroit Tigers team card, Josh Harrison, sliding, Jose Urena, Ian Anderson. 2 packs left, plus our hobby exclusive Series 1 4 trading cards. Amir Garrett, DJ LeMahieu, Roberto Perez, Chris Bubik, Josh Donaldson, Vasal Garcia, Michael Francisco, Tony Gonzalez, Luis Patino, Rougned Odor. Little color action there. Horizontals, David Dahl, Oliver Perez, Wade LeBlanc, Slam San Diego. 4 games, 4 Grand Slams. Last pack, thank goodness. Austin Hayes, Robbie Ray, do it for the fans, do it for the cutouts, White Sox. Nico Goodrum, Pete Alonso, Ronald Guzman, Yadier Molina. A little color action here. Reese Hoskins, rookie color, David Peterson. I don't know what they call that. Is that silver? What is that? Horizontal, Nationals, White Sox, post-game hand sanitizer, Cody Heuer, Alex Gordon. For exclusive. What does this say? Topps does not make any representations, blah, 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 future value. Look for special cards in Series 1 and 2 packs. All right. First color is Manny Machado. That is to 50 of 150. No idea what that is. We have a Mike Yastrzemski, not numbered. Joey Votto, not numbered. These are just silvers, I'm assuming. Matt Chapman. Sharp looking cards, Topps Chrome, but you only get 4. Rip open the excitement. Post your packs. Find packs at hobby and retail stores. Okay. Well, we got 1 home run challenge. Jorge Soler. All right. Kind of lame. You get this in a hobby box, but still a fun rip. You do get a ton of cards for what you pay for it. So thanks for watching. Let us know what you think.